Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Backup and Sync. To use Google Backup and Sync, you have to download the Google Drive application in your computer. First download the application, then install it, then follow me. After installing the software, you will find it in the task view icon, and here is the Google Drive. Click on right button of your mouse, then you will find the setting icon. Click on setting icon, then click on preferences. Then click on my laptop and add folder. Now select your folder that you want to backup in the Google Drive. I'm selecting demo on my desktop. After selecting your folder, click on select folder. Then done and save. If you add any file to the folder that you added, then it will automatically backup in your Google Drive. See, here is the demo folder. You can find it under my drive option, then click on computer, then click on my computer, and here you will find your backup file. If I open demo, then look, here is a demo backup docs. And if I open my demo folder in my computer, here is the demo backup docs. Now if I add something to this folder, it will be automatically uploaded to the backup folder in the Google Drive. Now if I add a folder called tutorial, and let's see if it uploaded or not. See, here is the tutorial folder in the demo folder. So this is how you can use Google Backup and Sync. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.